Dear students, Namaste. I hope that you are watching and using the video classes of all subjects. Dear students, if you are going to watch and if you are going to use our video classes, that is the reward to our effort. Therefore, we utilize the online classes. Admission, admission, admission. So, our discussion in the chapter Admission of a Partner. After completion of theory in admission chapter, we discussed 4 problems of 12 mark. Yes, in this video, let us discuss about one more problem of 12 mark with one more adjustment, new adjustment in relating to the goodwill. As you know, the goodwill is the main adjustment in the case of admission of a partner. See, today, here one problem is here in the chart. Yes, let us read the problem at first. In the case of 12 mark problem, there are 3 parts. One, balance sheet and adjustments and further their ratio. Vani and Sandhya are partners sharing profit and loss in the proportion of 3/5, 2/5, 3:2. Here Vani and Sandhya are old partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Therefore, whatever the items we have to share to the old partner should be shared in the ratio of 3:2. If ratio is not given, what is the solution? Then equal ratio as per Partnership Act. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. See, this is the balance sheet of old partner. This is called old balance sheet. Before admission, cash at hand 21,500, stock 39,000, debtor 60,000 before admission, and they provide the provision for doubtful debt 3,000. Before admission of the partner, they assume the doubtful debt of rupees 3,000. Admission ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಅವರು 60,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಾಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 3,000 ನಷ್ಟ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 57,000. ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ 10,000 ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ 40,000 ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, and machinery 25,000 before admission old value. In the liability side, creditor 77,500 ಸಾಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. Reserve, arre baba, this is the special item. You know what is the adjustment and how you treat this reserve fund in the time of admission of the partner. What is the meaning of this reserve fund? Reserve fund means this is the earning and savings of the old partner before admission of the new partner. Out of accumulated profit of many year, ಹಿಂದಿನ ಹಲವಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪವೇ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಟ್ಟು 20,000 ರಿಸರ್ವ್ is created, which is the general reserve. Though this is the earning and savings of Vani and Sandhya, old partner, even though problem is silent, it should be distributed to old partner in a old ratio, and such an reserve should not be shown in a new balance sheet. Further, profit and loss account, this is also the special adjustment. See, this is the old balance sheet. Though this is the old balance sheet, this profit or loss account means this is the profit of last year. Liability side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ profit. Profit ಯಾಕೆ liability ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ profit is required to pay to the owner, partner. Such an profit and loss account means that is the accumulated or also called as undistributed profit of the last year. Though this is the profit of last year, as per accounting assumption, such an amount of rupees 5,000 should be shared to Vani and Sandhya, even though problem is silent about its distribution. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ A, B, C, D, E. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಈ ಎರಡು ಐಟಮ್ ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್, ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್, ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್, reserve and profit and loss account, which is the earning of the old partner, should be shared to old partner, and same should not be shown in new balance sheet. ಸಪೋಸ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಶೋನ್ ಇನ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಎನ್ನುವ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೊಸ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರಿಗೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಐಟಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ವಾಣಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. We are required to prepare new capital account and thereby required to calculate what about new capital. On 1/4/2018, Chaya is admitted into the partnership on following terms. See, new partner is Chaya. Avaru Chayananna admission ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. What are the terms? What are the condition? She should bring, who should bring? Chaya. New partner should bring rupees 40,000 as capital. Avalu 40,000 capital ತರ್ತಾಳೆ. Though she bring 40,000 capital, old cash of rupees 21,500 increased with the 40,000 because a business used to receive the amount. She should bring 40,000 as capital for 1/4 share and goodwill of the firm is raised at rupees 25,000. See, as I said earlier, goodwill is the main adjustment in the case of a 12 mark question. Here goodwill of the firm is raised. What do you mean by raised? Created. Though the goodwill is raised or created in the firm, new partner not bring the cash for goodwill. ಹೊಸ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ goodwill ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅನ್ನು ತರಲಿಲ್ಲ. The new partner Chaya will bring only capital amount. ಒಂದು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತರ್ತಾಳೆ. On the other hand, she will never bring the goodwill amount in the form of cash. Goodwill is created. Though goodwill is created, the journal entry is that goodwill account dater. Goodwill comes in, no? Goodwill barutte. Not cash comes in. Cash barudilla. Yakentandre, goodwill of the firm is raised. Goodwill not brought in the form of cash. See, goodwill account dater 2. Who are the giver of the goodwill? Who are the giver by their sincere and hard effort towards the goodwill to the business? Okay, see, goodwill brought by Vani. Business ಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ತರುವಂತದ್ದು ವಾಣಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ. Okay, so Vani capital account, Sandhya capital account. See, this is the journal entry. Goodwill account dater to Vani capital account to Sandhya capital account and total amount of goodwill 25,000 should be shared in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, so adannu 3:2 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಣಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಧ್ಯಾನಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And further, the problem is silent about withdraw of goodwill. See here, goodwill of the firm is raised. Problem is silent about its withdraw. Therefore, goodwill ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ. So goodwill is real account. In the case of real account debit, what comes in? Goodwill comes in. Whenever goodwill created, so goodwill comes in. Whenever this chalk piece created, chalk piece comes in. In the same way, whenever scale created, scale comes in. In the same way, goodwill is real account. So whenever goodwill created, goodwill comes in, and Vani and Sandhya are the giver of the goodwill. Their capital account is to be credited. Depreciate furniture. See, furniture is a asset. Furniture is a asset. It depreciate means depreciation is loss to the business. Revaluation account debit side loss. Appreciate building. Building is an asset. Asset value increase means that is income to the business. Revaluation account credit side. PDD is increased by, see, give the importance to the term by. PDD increased by 3,000 means before the admission of partner in old balance sheet debtor 60,000 and old reserve is 3,000. In the time of admission further 3,000 increase. PDD increased further. Okay, so it is increased by 3,000 means 3,000. So total PDD required is 6,000. Total 6,000 ಬೇಕು. Before the admission 3,000. In the time of admission 3,000. Total 6,000. Next, an amount of rupees 2,000 due to creditor. Now, how much total amount due to the creditor? 77,500. See here, total amount due to the creditor is 77,500. Out of such 77,500, 2,000 due to creditor is not likely to be claimed and hence should be written off. amount due to the creditor is 77,500. Out of 77,500, in the time of admission, while giving rupees 2,000 to the creditor not likely to be claimed. ನಮ್ಮ creditor 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. He is not likely to be claimed. ಅವನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. See, creditor is liability. Whenever we are going to discharge or whenever we are going to pay our creditor not likely to be claimed. ಅವನು ತೆಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸಾಲ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉಂಟು, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅವನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್. ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್. Here it is said that an amount of rupees 2,000 due to creditor is not likely to be claimed and hence should be written off. A long sentence is given. In simple, a long sentence is given. In simple, it's the meaning that discount on creditor. Simple. Okay, so discount on creditor is income to the business. Now we are required to prepare necessary accounts. First, draw the columns for revaluation account. Take your notebook. Take the writing materials. Okay, so write a revaluation account. First account, 3 account we have to prepare in the time of admission for 12 mark. One revaluation account, second one all partners capital account, third one is balance sheet. Now draw the column for revaluation account. Why assets and liabilities are required to revalue in the time of admission of partner? To show the true value of assets and liabilities of the business to the new partner. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್. ಇದು ಇನ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಸಚ್ ಆನ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, because we know that assets and liabilities value increase or decrease because of appreciation and depreciation. Fixed asset ಗಳ ಬೆಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore we have to revalue. So revaluation. Now let us see what are the adjustment required in the case of revaluation account. She should bring 40,000 as capital. It is not revaluation. And goodwill of the firm raised at rupees 25,000. It is not revaluation account. Depreciate furniture. See here, furniture 10,000. In the time of admission, it depreciate. Savakali, saveta, damage. Okay, depreciate furniture by 10%. So depreciation is loss to the business. Revaluation account is nominal account. In the case of nominal account, debit all those expenses and losses, credit all those incomes and gains. So to furniture account. To furniture account. Old value 10,000, it depreciate to the extent of 5%. It depreciate to the extent of 5%. So depreciation is 500. Depreciation on furniture, 10%. Okay, it is 10%, not 5%, 10%. So 10. Then it is 1,000. So depreciation on furniture 1,000. Next, appreciate building by 20%. Building is an asset, adha nasti. Building value appreciate. Our asset value increase means that is income to the business. Therefore it is Jai Bolo Bharat Mata Ki. That is 20%. So income by building account. By building account. Building ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುದಲ್ಲ, building ನ value ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುದು. Yes, good. See here, building its value 40,000. Old value 40,000. It appreciate to the extent of 20%. So 8,000. So 8,000 is appreciation on building income. See here, furniture depreciate and building appreciate. While preparation of new balance sheet, we are required to show the necessary appreciation and depreciation. Depreciation deduct, appreciation add. Next, PDD increase, provision for doubtful debt. See, our doubtful debt increase means according to conservatism concept, if any amount receiving of same which is doubtful, then we have to treat that it is a loss to the business. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು ಅದು ಡೌಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. therefore it is a 2PDD. okay, PDD. Though there is no calculation in provision for doubtful debt. Provision for doubtful debt ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, because it is directly given that PDD, provision for doubtful debt, is increased by 3000. So 3000 directly given 3000ದಷ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. By means ಅಷ್ಟು. Okay, so 3000. And further, an amount of rupees 2000 due to creditor is not likely to be claimed and hence should be written off. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಲಗಾರರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ 2000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಬೈ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ಸ್. ಬೈ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ಸ್ 2000. Discount on creditor is 2000. So 4 adjustments are given to revaluation account. We adjusted. What is the summary? Revaluation account is nominal account. Debit all those expenses and losses. Credit all those incomes and gain. So furniture account, depreciate loss and provision for doubtful debt. Samshayatita sala. Okay, so doubtful debt, that is 3000 loss. Income, building appreciate and discount on creditor. Yes, next balance. What is the procedure of balancing a nominal account or ledger account? We have to see in which side total is more. Okay, so here total is 4000, here total is 10,000. So credit side total more. So write that total at first. In this problem, though the credit side total is more, incomes are more. So whatever the balance we are going to receive is a income on revaluation account. And write the same total here, that is 10,000. 10,000 minus 3,000. So balance is minus 4,000. 314. Okay, 314. 10,000 minus 4,000. So 6,000. 6,000 is the income on revaluation account. Such an 6,000, which is the profit on revaluation account, should be transferred to whom? This is the very important question in theory part. How do you close revaluation account? Okay, how do you close? After making necessary entry, we have to close. How do you close? By transferring the profit or loss of revaluation account to old partner in old ratio. Revaluation account is closed. Old partner ಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, old ratio ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Why new partner is not given with the share? Though this is admission case, this account is prepared in the eve of admission, in the time of admission. New partner is not so far worked for business. ಹೊಸ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ದುಡಿಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ such an 6,000 profit should be shared to old partner, that is Vani and Sandhya. So to Vani capital account, to Vani capital account, another one is Sandhya. Sandhya capital account. Sandhya capital account. See, total profit of rupees 6,000, this 6,000 total profit shared in the ratio of old. Okay, so old ratio is 3/5 and 2/5, 3:2 ratio. It should be distributed. Then 3,600, take calculator and calculate. Okay, so 3,600 to Vani and 2,400 to Sandhya. Okay, so revaluation account is closed. For your better knowledge, so write in bracket profit transferred. Okay, profit transferred. See, in the case of revaluation account, there are 3 possibilities. In the case of revaluation account, 3 possibility. First possibility, there may be profit sigbodu like this. Second one, there may be loss. I think on our previous video we worked out one of the problems wherein there was loss. So loss kuda sigbodu. I mean debit side total more. And third possibility is there, no profit, no loss. Labhavilla, nashlavilla. I mean debit side entries and amounts may equal to credit side amount. For example, in next video I will work out such a problem, okay, wherein there is no profit, no loss in a revaluation account, okay, being a variety. Antaha possibility kuda irbahudu. Okay, adakke bekagi next video dalli I will work out such a problem of a no profit, no loss in revaluation account. See here, there is profit, such an profit is shared to old partner in old ratio. Yes, next account, all partners capital account. Draw the columns. All partners capital account, draw the column. Practically you draw the column. Just a video ನೋಡಿದಾಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಮದುವೆದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದಾಗೆ ನೋಡಬೇಡಿ. Draw the column. See here, Vani, Sandhya, Chaya, Vani, Sandhya, Chaya, individual capital account. Actually it is more account agbeku. It is actually individual capital account. But being convenience, okay, we are going to prepare this in columnar form by combined form. Okay, yes, good. Drawing the column to prepare the account is called opening the account. Column draw ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ accounting ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ account open ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. So by opening capital account, we are going to see balance, which is capital balance. Capital alliruva balance, capital balance. So what is capital balance? See in here in their capital account, I mean in balance sheet, Vani capital 60, Sandhya capital 30, which is capital. Whether capital shows debit balance or credit balance, capital is a liability. Any liability shows credit balance. You studied and you felt in first PUC. Okay, so by balance brought down. Okay, so old capital, so that is 60 and 30. So 60,000 and 30,000. In the case of Chaya, there is no capital. Old capital illa. Capital only in the case of Vani and Sandhya, old capital. And further, in the balance sheet, two silent items are there. Eradu silent item ide. One reserve and another one is a profit and loss account. Though the problem is silent here in adjustment, it should be distributed as per accounting assumption that reserve and profit and loss account relating to old partner. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಉಸಿರಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೀದ್, ನೋ, that is assumption. In the same way, here also this is accounting assumption that reserve and profit and loss account should be distributed. Yes, now first of all let us distribute reserve fund by reserve. See here, reserve of rupees the reserve of rupees 20,000. Reserve 20,000. What do you mean by reserve? A part of profit kept aside for future general use. So reserve of rupees 20,000 distributed in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, it should be distributed in the ratio of 3:2. Then that is 12,000. Okay, and 8,000. No share to Chaya. Students, this is the important question for 2 mark in theory part, that how do you treat reserve fund in the time of admission of a partner? How do you treat? So reserve fund is shared to old partner in old ratio. Old partner ಗೆ old ratio dalli adannu distribute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and same should not be shown in new balance sheet. Okay, that is the answer. Old partner ಗೆ old ratio dalli distribute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And further, profit and loss account is there. Okay, so by profit and loss account, so business required to give profit. In the liability side, profit and loss account means that is the profit of last year. Liability side alli idre profit, and such an profit should be distribute, I mean business required to give. See here, it is give to the partner. So profit and loss account, total amount of profit 5,000. Total profit 5,000 is shared in the ratio of 3:2. That is 3/5 and 2/5. It is respectively 3,000 and 2,000, and no share to Chaya. This is the important question in the case of theory part, that how do you close or treat accumulated profit. Accumulated profit should be shared to old partner in their old ratio. And further, new partner invest the capital. So new partner by cash account. So new partner invest the capital. So new partner Chaya invest 40,000 being capital. She invests 40,000 being a capital. And next, balance brought down over revaluation account, reserve fund, accumulated profit, and revaluation profit or loss. So here in the case of revaluation, there is the profit, isn't it? So such an profit should be carried to here by revaluation account. So revaluation profit to Vani 3,600 and to Chaya 2,400. 2,400. There is no share to Chaya. Okay, new partner gadralli palilla. And further we have to adjust the goodwill, which is the important adjustment. So what about the instruction given in the problem? It is said that goodwill of the firm is raised. Goodwill anna srishti madudu, raise or created. New partner not bring goodwill in the form of cash. Therefore there should be the entry of cash in your entry. Okay, so cash anta barabardu. So goodwill created. Whenever goodwill created, goodwill comes in. Goodwill account debtor. Who create the goodwill? Who create the goodwill or who raise the goodwill? Goodwill anna srishti maduvaru yaru? Reputation, popularity, prestige, image, ganate, kirti, publicity to the business is created by Vani and Sandhya, not by Chaya. Therefore goodwill account debtor to Vani capital account to Sandhya capital account. This is the entry. I mean journal entry. Yes, now transfer it. I mean post it. It appear as by goodwill. By goodwill. So total goodwill of the firm is raised at rupees 25,000. Goodwill is raised at rupees 25,000. It is shared in the ratio of 3:2. That is 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. 15,000 and 10,000. Total 25,000. Total 25. It is shared in the ratio of 3:2. 15,000 and 10,000. And there is no share to Chaya. See, summary. This is the theory of the journal entry. The summary is that idar artha enu antandre Vani and Sandhya is struggle for, they worked for the reputation or popularity business. Therefore their account is added with the 10,000 and 15,000. That's all. ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ವಾಣಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ, ಅವರು ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ನ ರೆಪ್ಯುಟೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. To compensate their effort, business credited rupees 15,000 and 10,000 to their account. Our account ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಮ್ಮರಿ. ಓಕೆ, and further goodwill raise ಆಗಿದೆ, withdraw ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. Goodwill is just raised. See here, goodwill raised. Though goodwill raised, it will remain in the business. It is not withdrawn. Therefore in new balance sheet, this is new balance sheet. In a new balance sheet you have to show the goodwill. ನೀವು goodwill ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ goodwill raise ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, goodwill create ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು withdraw ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, in withdraw case we studied in our previous video. Yes, next let us balance the partners capital account. Okay, let us balance partners capital account. Be noticed, in this problem there is no any entry in debit side. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, because goodwill is not withdrawn. And in the problem accumulated profit given, if accumulated loss given, that is debited. And further here revaluation profit we receive. If it is a revaluation loss, then that appear in the debit side. Okay, anyhow all entries are in credit side. Further let us balance it. So 93,600 total. 93,600 total in the case of Vani. You calculate ಮಾಡಿ 52,400. 52,400 in the case of Sandhya. And in the case of Chaya, only one amount, that is 40,000. Okay, is it visible? 40,000. Okay, 40,000. Now write the same total here. So Chaya 40,000 and Sandhya 52,400. 52,400 and here it is 93,600. 93,600. Okay, and further let us write the balance. There is no amount here. So 93,600 itself is the balance. 52,400 itself is the balancing amount. And 40,000 is a Chaya capital. Sometimes students are going to write here in last line. Okay, that is the bad practice. So you are required to write the amount from first line itself. Okay, so to balance carried down, 93,600 new capital. Sandhya new capital 52,400 and Chaya capital 40,000. So this amount is carried to the balance sheet. Okay, that balance is to be carried. After preparation of this capital account, old capital is not in use. Okay, the old capital ide alva adu use igilla. Yes, now let us prepare new balance sheet. New balance sheet and madwa. Draw the column to prepare the new balance sheet. Heading new balance sheet as on 1/4/2018, that is admission date, date of admission. Right assets right hand side, liabilities left hand side, amount column rupees. If you feel that you are in India, okay, I hope you feel so. Yes, good. Anyhow, now let us write the items. Cash in hand. Okay, 1 minute. What is the technique of preparation of new balance sheet? Hosa balance sheet madudu hege? A simple sentence, a simple statement. Old values are replaced with the new value. That's all. Old value replaced with the new value. Okay. In such a technique, new balance sheet is prepared. That is the theory. Cash at hand. So cash, asset, cash. Forget about business. Business and martu bidi. Okay. We have common sense and think over the cash. 21,500 alittu. Okay. 21,500 old balance. ಹೊಸ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ತರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಶಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ 40,000 ಆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. 40,000 ಒಂದು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಛಾಯಾ ಹಣ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಸ್ಡ್. ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಛಾಯಾ brings only one amount. Okay, that is her capital in the form of cash. Therefore plus Chaya capital. Okay, plus Chaya capital. Okay, 40,000. I repeat, old cash 21,500 and while the admission of Chaya, she will bring only 40,000. Goodwill amount is not added to cash because goodwill is not in the form of cash. Goodwill cash na ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, so total 61,500. Okay, 61,500. Next, stock. Okay, is there an adjustment to the stock here in adjustment? No. Stock 39,000, no adjustment. Okay, old value itself is the old value. Debtors old value gross amount 60,000, gross amount 60,000 less old PDD 3,000, 57,000 less new PDD. Further bad debt, see here, provision for doubtful debt is increased by 3,000, so 3,000, so 54,000. 54,000. And further, furniture. What is the old value of furniture? 10,000. Old value is 10,000. So in adjustment side it is said that depreciate furniture by 10%. Less depreciation 1,000. Net amount 9,000. And the next item, building 40,000. Building 40,000 and add appreciation. What is the amount of appreciation? You adjusted in the revaluation account. Revaluation account alli nodi. Appreciation building 8,000. Now it is 48,000. Appreciation on building. And machinery, there is no adjustment to machinery. So old value 25,000 itself is the new value. 25,000 itself is the new value. And further, one more asset is there. Innond asset ide. Other than this cash, stock, debtor, furniture, building, machinery, in the time of admission we created one more asset. Okay, one more asset. That is goodwill of the firm is raised. It is not withdrawn. Goodwill ಅನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು withdraw ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. Means goodwill will remain in the business. Such an goodwill value of rupees 25,000 will remain in the business. ಅದು business ನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತದೆ. Goodwill, it is not withdrawn. Withdraw ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ goodwill not appear in the balance sheet. And further, let us write liabilities. Creditors, okay, creditors 77,500, creditor 77,500, and reserve and profit and loss account is closed. ಆ ಎರಡು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Sorry, to the creditor one adjustment is there. Students, to the creditor one adjustment is there. Creditor 77,500. Okay, less discount. See last adjustment. Last adjustment nodi, an amount of rupees 2,000 due to creditor is not likely to be claimed and hence should be returned back. So 2,000, then it is 75,500. Okay, 75,500. Then capital. So write a new capital, whatever the capital given in balance sheet, old capital, write a new capital that we calculated. So Vani, Sandhya, Chaya, we calculated their new capital. So Vani's new capital 93,600 and Sandhya capital 52,400. 52,400, and in the case of Chaya, her capital is 40,000. Okay, 40,000. So these are the various entries. 93, 61,500, 39, 54, 9, 48, 25. Yes, okay. All adjustments are over. All adjustments are completed. So we should not write reserve and profit and loss account because it is distributed to old partner. Yes, now total balance sheet and total ಮಾಡುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. Okay, now total, the total 2,61,500. 2,61,500. Here also 2,61,500. 2,61,500. I hope you understood this problem. I will meet you in the next class, okay, with another adjustment about treatment of goodwill. Take care.